It's sometimes said that trees are built from thin air and water. This is because the food that fuels a tree's growth basically comes from carbon dioxide, breathed in through the leaves, and water, absorbed through the roots. There are other nutrients that the roots extract from the soil, but these are only required in small quantities. Unlike animals, trees manufacture their own food internally. They also retain their own waste products produced during growth, storing them in the heartwood cells. Trees are extremely efficient solar-powered production plants, since the only external energy source needed to carry out these functions is the sun. The process used by plants to manufacture food is called photosynthesis, because it uses the power of sunlight to synthesize the carbon dioxide with water. The main stem of a tree is often called its trunk. When you cut through the stem and look at it in cross-section, you can see that it's made up of different layers. On the outside is the outer bark. This dead, corky material helps to protect the stem from damage and stops the tree from drying out. Beneath the outer bark is the phloem, or inner bark, which carries the tree's food supply to all of the growing parts, such as the branch tips, roots, and stem. Underneath the phloem is the cambium tissue. This thin, slimy layer of cells is where the stem grows in girth, or circumference. As the cells multiply, they form new phloem tissue on the outside and new wood tissue on the inside. The outer layer of wood fibers is called sapwood, because it carries water and nutrients upwards from the roots in the sap stream. As the tree continues to grow, various waste products are deposited in the inner layers of sapwood, causing the cells to block up and die. These cells are called heartwood and are generally darker in colour than the sapwood. The sapwood and heartwood together are known as xylem tissue. The woody fibres that make up the xylem are what gives a tree its strength, and are the part of the stem that's processed in a sawmill to produce timber. In the centre is a small soft core called the pith. This is the original conducting tissue from the stem's early stages of growth, before it starts to develop wood fibres. Finally, the ray parenchyma cells run outwards from the pith towards the bark. Their purpose is to transport and store food supplies in the growing tree.